In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Patreon notifications. If your inbox feels a little crowded, adjusting your Patreon email settings on desktop is a quick way to take control. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so you only get the messages you actually want. Start by logging into your Patreon account on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. In that menu, find and click the Settings button. This is where all your account preferences live. If you don't see the menu right away, try expanding it or widening your browser window so the labels appear clearly. At the top of the settings page, you'll see a row of tabs. Click the one labeled Email Notifications. This tab is dedicated to the emails Patreon sends you, and it consolidates your choices in one place so you don't have to dig around. Give the page a moment to load. You should soon see a list of categories and checkboxes. Now it's time to fine-tune what lands in your inbox. You'll see different types of emails, like post updates from creators you support and general announcements about platform-wide news or features. To turn off a category, simply deselect the checkbox next to it. Deselecting a box means you're opting out of that type of email. For example, if you no longer want to be notified every time a creator publishes a new post, uncheck post updates. If you prefer not to receive broader news or promotional content, uncheck general announcements. Move through the list thoughtfully and choose only what's useful to you. Remember, you can always come back to this page later and re-enable any category if you change your mind. When you're done choosing, make sure to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom and click Update Email Settings. This button confirms your preferences and applies them to your account. After clicking, look for a brief confirmation on the page indicating your settings were updated successfully. That's it, you've adjusted your Patreon email notifications on desktop. From here on, you should notice fewer emails based on the categories you turned off. If your inbox still feels busy, revisit the Email Notifications tab to refine your choices further. And if things look slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Patreon occasionally refreshes its design, but the process remains the same. Open Settings, go to Email Notifications, deselect what you don't want, and update your settings.